मैं तुमसे मिला हूँ पहली दफा ही मिलके लगा, तूने छुआ जख्म को मेरे, मरहम मरहम दिल पे लगा। पागल पागल हैं थोड़े बादल, बादल हैं दोनों खुल के, पर से भी गया जरा। पहले भी मैं तुमसे मिला हूँ पहली दफा ही मिलके लगा, तूने छुआ जख्म को मेरे, मरहम मरहम दिल पे लगा। अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है, अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है कि दिखता नहीं मगर कुछ है। फिदा हूँ मैं तो एक नजर बस, एक नजर बस, एक नजर तक के लगे भी तो ये और किधर अब और किधर दिल संग तेरे लग के, सही वो भी लगे मुझको गलत तुझ में अगर कुछ है, अलग तुझ में असर कुछ है। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है, तुम बिन मैं बिन बात का, तुम हो तभी कुछ बात है। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है, तुम बिन भी तुमसे सियाह रात है, तुम बिन मैं बिन बात का, तुम हो तभी कुछ बात।
Thank you all for being here to celebrate a truly special occasion, the 25th wedding anniversary of my parents. It honestly means so much to see everyone gathered here. You know, it's one thing to see the number of Facebook followers and WhatsApp buddies they have, but seeing you all actually be here, it truly means a lot. That really shows how loved they are. We truly appreciate each and every one of you for making the time to join us here today. 25 years is a big milestone. It's not just a number. It's years of partnership, teamwork, and the occasional we'll talk about it later. But through everything, they've built something strong and something worth celebrating.
And as we celebrate my Masi and Uncle's anniversary, I also want to take a moment to appreciate everyone who will be performing today. Whether they enthusiastically volunteered or were gently assigned a performance by the family planning committee, we truly thank you for adding even more joy to the occasion. Your effort means a lot, and we can't wait to enjoy everything you've prepared. We've got a great lineup, great company, and a whole lot of celebrating ahead. So let's enjoy it and make this a day the couple won't forget anytime soon. Thank you.
As we celebrate 25 years of togetherness and a happy marriage for Manpreet and Parvinder, there is a lot of people who have come together to put up a fantastic day and a performance. Not perfect performances everywhere, but these will be exciting and entertaining performances. answering these questions. I'm not sure whether they are right answers or wrong answers. Definitely, I can't guarantee for right answer, but definitely there can be a lot of wrong answers. So we have just selected a pool of people from the audience. We are going to pull out a slip. Don't be surprised. Okay? You might be asked to give an advice. Now, it's an unsolicited advice. May or may not work for all. But definitely we would like you to express your views in the best interest of people who have already finished 25 years of marriage, and there is a bunch of youngsters who are not even 25 years old. And what can they look forward to? Okay. So I'm going to pull out a name, and then we will go to the question. There are some consolation prizes. I'm not sure whether there's Maureen. Question. Okay. If you could give the couple one wish or blessing for the next 25 years, what would it be? You have another minute with you. They are here next to you.
I don't know Parvinder. I just met him, but I know Manpreet pretty well from working with her, and I just don't think that there is a kinder person who just his heart is full of love. And so for the next 25 years, I am excited to see what happens for the two of you. And I wish you just happiness and love, and I know you have a wonderful family, 2 boys, who knows what they're going to do in the next 25 years. No pressure, maybe some grandchildren. But I just wish you peace and happiness.
Funny moment with a couple that still makes you laugh when you think of it.
What's the question? Sorry.
What is the one funny moment from the couple, which makes you laugh, still makes you laugh when you think of it? You can take your time, you can have another minute. Funny moment.
I don't know, funny, but whenever we join together in any party, we always laugh.
Yeah, that's funny. Okay. Anything which stands out?
Just remembered something. So once we were having dinner, in Indian culture, a lot of people eat with their hands, but some of us don't. So Kuljit and myself don't prefer to eat with hands. And then there were few of them from some other couples. And we showed our disgust towards them, and we laughed our heart out. For 10 minutes, we kept on saying pros and cons of each approach and trying to put the other parties down. So that was good fun that I remember. That was many, many years back.
Yeah, right, that was Rajwal.
Yeah, it was Rajwal, yeah. That's what I remember.
Mr. Wali.
If you had to sum up their 25 years of marriage in one word, okay. Now 25 years in one word is always a challenge. So think it over. I can give you a few options.
Yeah, I can.
In one word?
Forgiveness.
Amazing. Forgiveness. Okay. I think most of the people who have gone through the journey would agree with it. Forgiveness is one of the most important values. Anything from you as well. Listen to your wife. Parvinder and Manpreet. Now I can give you an example. We have got characters like Gabbar Singh, we have got characters like Sahwag, we have got characters like Munna Bhai and all those characters. No, think it. Take your time, man. Don't be in a hurry. You need to now match the personalities of these characters with Manpreet. Okay, find one. And one with Parvinder. So who comes to your mind if they have to act a role today in Bollywood? What do you think they resemble?
For my eyes, they are very fun-loving people and they enjoy a lot. The Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol character.
You know why? You know what my wife just prompted? She said, I'm a chef, okay? So I can only think that. I'm thinking only. So if you have to think of a fruit or a vegetable, okay, what comes to your mind when you see Manpreet? Which is the closest fruit or vegetable? And what does Parvinder resemble? Okay, in character, obviously not in looks, but definitely in character, you know?
Vegetable?
Fruit, vegetable,
I don't know how to
eggplant.
I'd say you're a root vegetable because you seem really strong and stable and sturdy. And I would say a beet because you're wearing a purple color. So that's what I'm going off of. I just met you. These kind of compliments. Or an eggplant, yeah.
Thank you so much. Pleasure. This is what we are good to go. Thank you so much, Anand.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
My mother-in-law and father-in-law. आप बहुत खुश रहो, सबको खुशियाँ बांटो और बच्चों को भी प्यार से रखो और मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती. बाय.
Wishing you a fabulous silver jubilee of your marriage. Congratulations for being together for 25 years. Enjoy your life further. Bye.
Dear Parvinder और मनप्रीत, आज मैनू बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि तुहाडे शादी दे 25 साल पूरे हो गए. तुसी जिथे भी हो खुश रहो, आनंद विच रहो, परमात्मा तुहानू हर खुशी देवे.
औखी घड़ी न देखण दे अपना दिल संभाले, हाथ दे आके अपने को सास सास कर पाले. प्रभ से लाभ रहो मेरा जी, आद अंत प्रभ सदा सहाय, धन हमारा मिल रहाओ. मन विलास भय साहिब के अचरज देख बढ़ाई, और सिमर सिमर आनंद कर नानक प्रभु पूर्ण पैज रखाई. Dear Parvinder and Manpreet, we convey our heartfelt congratulations to you on the occasion of 25th marriage anniversary. We pray to God to grant you health, happiness and all virtues of life. God bless you.
Hello Dee, hello Jaya happy 25th wedding anniversary and I hope यही वीडियो हम 25 साल बाद फिर मन बनाएं जब आपकी 50th anniversary होगी. We wish you a very very happy wedding anniversary Didi and Jaya. God bless you both.
25 years of love, affection and putting up with each other. That's a long way to go and still a long 25 years more.
ये रट्टा मार के आया.
मैं रट्टा के मार के आया, बिल्कुल गाय बनी.
Happy 25th. Happy 25th. Congratulations.
सारा खराब कर दिया वीडियो.
Happy marriage anniversary, Mama, Mami ji. 25th wedding anniversary.
उस ऊपर वाले ने मुझे बहुत सारे तोहफे दिए हैं. आई एम सो थैंकफुल टू हिम. उन सब में से एक बहुत कीमती तोहफा है मेरा भाई. यस, माय ब्रदर, माय बिग ब्रदर. जब छोटे थे तो बहुत सताता था, बहुत लड़ाई होती थी, मुझे मार कर भाग जाता था। अब बड़े हो गए तो उतना ही प्यार जताता है, मेरी हर छोटी बड़ी उलझन को झट से दूर भगाता है। कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो किसी भी फैमिली मेंबर की, किसी भी फ्रेंड की, उसको सॉल्व करने का तरीका उसको आता है। देख भाई, मैंने तेरे लिए कविता लिखी, से थैंक यू, एंड आई रियली मीन इट। इतना लविंग, इतना केयरिंग, इतना प्रैक्टिकल माइंडेड भाई सबको मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है। आई एम सो लकी टू हैव माई भाई इन माई लाइफ, एंड देन हिज बेटर हाफ, माई भाभी। Oh my God, what a combination of beauty and wisdom.
सत श्री अकाल जी, बहुत बहुत मुबारक। पिछले 25 साल दिया उन्नत हो गए, 25 साल की दिया टारगेट ही है कि एक खत्म हो अगला मिलेगा, चली चलो असि ना लगे।
Wish you a very very happy wedding anniversary. सिल्वर जुबली, फिर गोल्डन जुबली, फिर डायमंड जुबली मनाते रहो, खुशियां मानो, आनंद करो। Wish you a very happy, healthy and prosperous married life and lots of happiness for all of you.
गलत क्या सीखा? देते ना और 4 टारगेट।
हाँ बिल्कुल पूरे करो। Given targets should be completed. Good luck, all the best.
My all-time favorite couple. We miss you so much, Parvinder and Manpreet. All the Bikaner Wala sessions, post-Holi pizza parties, and all the fun that we've always had together. Binging on starters and then straight to desserts, eating so much that we couldn't walk back to our cars. It's just been an amazing time that we've had with you. Wherever you might be, here or there, we always wish you the very best. 25 years and way to go. We're always going to be cheering for you. Lots of love.
As an old man once said, marriage is like a deck of cards. In the beginning, all you need is 2 hearts and a diamond. By the end, you wish you had a club and a spade. Just kidding. Yours is a love story that has spanned 25 years, written with patience, trust and unwavering commitment. May your marriage continue to shine with happiness and warmth. Happy silver anniversary.
तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ए मेरी जोहर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ये शौकिया ये बाकपन दो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, ये शौकिया ये बाकपन दो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, दिलों को जीतने का फन दो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आँखों पे आ गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आँखों पे पा गया दो जहां। ए मेरी ज़हर जबी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। थैंक यू।
A joint performance from Bihar, Himachal, Kashmir, Gujarat. I don't think so. Manpreet and Parvinder's 25th anniversary, but they are also giving a tribute to the original He-Man of Bollywood, Dharmendra. enjoy yourself while we prepare.
ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦੇ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਹੋ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਸਦੇ ਸਜਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਲੜਦੀ ਜਾਣ ਲਟਕਦੀ ਹਲ ਕੋਈ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਹੋਰ ਇਰਾਦੇ ਟਾਲੀ ਨਾ ਗੱਲੀ ਵੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੀਣਾ ਸਜਣਾ ਮਰ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਉਂ ਕੱਲੀ ਵੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੀਣਾ ਸਜਣਾ
ਸਾਹਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਸਜਣਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਅੜਾ
मेरा तौबा 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 आओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल साडा हाले थोड़ा साफ जा नहीं लगदा है
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਭਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਚੌਂਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਪਾਹੀ ਨੀ ਟੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਟੋਟੀ ਤੇ ਕਾਲਾ ਦਿਲ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਜੋ ਦਾਗੇ ਚੰਨ ਦੇ ਟੁਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲਾ ਚਸ਼ਮਾ ਜੱਜਦਾ ਏ ਕੋਲੇ ਮੁਖੜੇ ਤੇ बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना
Hello, don't mind me, I get